प्रणाम दोस्तों, मैं मधुर अग्रवाल tradersonline.com चैनल की तरफ से आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत करता हूँ। जैसे कि हमने आपसे कहा था कि हम लोग वेरियस टाइप के सेक्टर्स के लोगों से हम लोग इंटरव्यूज लेंगे और जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि उनका इस बजट के ऊपर क्या क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, क्या क्या नहीं है। तो इसी के लिए आज हमारे साथ में सागर सर, जो कि HDFC लाइफ के बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट मैनेजर है। तो सागर सर, आपका इस चैनल के ऊपर स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सर।
सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि डीमोनेटाइजेशन जब हुआ था तो इसमें आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ा?
सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच मुझे इस चैनल पे बोलने के लिए जो मौका दिया जा रहा है। थैंक यू मधुर सर।
वेलकम।
द सिनेरियो इज कि व्हेन द डीमोनेटाइजेशन वाज स्टार्टेड इट वाज रियली अ सरप्राइज, like all the individuals of 125 crores. Even I was one of them, and even I also got surprised to what is happening, because within 2 to 3 years of time, the old currency was about to get exhausted. It really created a problem for us, but not that exactly was only the issue. The scenario was how to exchange the currency.
Okay.
That was the major concern for each and every individual, which I have also faced.
Okay.
And among with all of them, there were many. So that was the first scenario.
When the demonetization has been announced, how much the 500 and 1000 currency were there in your pocket?
Yeah, actually it was the very first week of my salary, so I was having sufficient amount. I withdrew around 5,000 rupees of salary with me, and everything I was carrying was 500 and 1,000 rupees of note, but which was of no use. Only the petrol pumps were accepting that.
Okay.
And no other were accepting. Though our Prime Minister said that you can exchange it for a month while, but then also the other areas like purchasing, households, and other cosmetic shops, and even in medicals, and everyone they stopped it. Okay. Because everyone was stuck. Like now just now the announcement has done, like old currency is going to get vanished within 60 days. So what we should do? So we don't want to move to banks and for their exchangement. So okay. everyone was stopped with that. So that was the only scenario.
And sir, were you aware about the cashless economy?
Yeah, I was having a bit awareness about that. Maximum time I try to use my credit cards and my ATM cards, my debit cards, but not all the time. Means, and very rare cases. Hardly within a month I used to swipe hardly once or twice max.
So, had you deposited any amount in your bank account after the means in the period of demonetization from 8th of November till 30th December?
Yes, I am a salaried person holding a handsome amount every month. So yeah, I have exchanged currency, because what happens now, my mom, my dad, what is the middle class mentality is that every month our parents they just restore some cash from our amount, that cash which we holds in our home. So 20-30,000 rupees there is always which we keep for an emergency cases.
Yeah, it's true.
Each and every person we keep it. So only that much was the problem, or else it wasn't any difficulties for me.
So what are your expectations through the budget which is coming in next few days?
Yeah, this is really gonna be a surprising budget this year.
So are you aware about it's a first budget after independence that railway budget and the common budget is going to present together?
Yeah, it is really surprising. That is the most surprising part. Now, if I talk about railway budget, the railway budget and the other budget was made separately because of Britishers. Like it has been adopted from Britishers Parliament that the railway budget should be different, because in their times when the railway budget was different, at that moment the railways they created around 30,000 kilometers of railway tracks.
Yeah.
That was the major concern. That's why the railway budget was different. But what we did, our constitution adapted the same thing.
Copy paste.
Yeah, it was a kind of, we can say that it was a kind of copy paste. So because of that, the budgets were different, and railway budget was much more higher than the defense budget almost. So this time, what our PM did, he combined both the budget session in the same time, whereas he might be giving us some new and a better surprises and a better way. He will really give us a better way for economic conditions.
And sir, you are roaming on on-field things. And what are the mentality of the peoples about the savings?
Yeah, this is really a very good mentality has been driven up from every middle class and a lower middle class person, or from each and every economic part of a persons. Like they are nowadays, they are moving towards savings, more and more savings. They have been asking for more and more. Now I am through insurance sector, so before, when I used to ask a customer that would you like to have any savings element regarding through life insurance, they used to say no, we don't want any savings element from insurance sectors. But nowadays people are more approaching towards us. Like we want a saving element.
Okay, means before people you were used to call the peoples, and now people used to call you.
Yes, it is the same thing. Now the situation has been completely reversed.
Okay.
Everyone is now hunting for a better solution for savings.
And sir, what do you think about the demonetization? Is it good or bad? In one word.
Demonetization is the best. I think it is the best part which has been taken place. It took so many years, but now it has been taken a place, so it's the best thing.
And sir, from now onwards, you will prefer a cash economy or cashless economy?
Cashless economy is always better because the exact amount I have to pay. Most of the time, what happens when I pay the bills, at that time, the consumer or the person or shopkeeper, he always used to say that I don't have change. So he used to take out my 5-10 rupees at 8 rupees. But if I calculate that through my monthly or my yearly, I almost gave 10,000 or 40,000 bucks uselessly. Now I can use the exact and the appropriate amount which I have spent.
It means you can increase your savings for the insurance.
Exactly. Exactly, this was my point, that I will increase my savings.
And you will get a better tracking record of your expenses.
Exactly. The better tracking, that is the most important thing that each and everyone wants to go for that. But the current PM, Modi ji, he already gave us that option.
Okay. Sir, thank you very much for your precious and valuable time. Hope we will get a better India and bright India
Yes,
in
sir,
the
for
coming
sure.
years.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.